Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Santosh. In today's video, we will be talking all about Windows 11 display settings. Master Windows 11 display settings under 10 minutes. Let's get started. Ready to master Windows 11 display settings? This is a comprehensive video which covers everything you need to know. You will understand the fundamentals of Windows 11 display settings, step by step demonstration, common mistakes to avoid, pro tips from experts like me and others, examples, and case studies. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to improve your skills, this video has something for you. I have spent years perfecting these Windows 11 display setting strategies, and now I am sharing them with you. Let's get started. Don't forget to like this video if this helped you and subscribe for more Windows 11 display setting content. Turn on the notifications so you never miss out on the videos. So what are we going to cover? Windows 11 display settings control the display aspect of the computer. It is important because they allow you to add a personal identity to your particular laptop or computer you are using. I was working with a computer company earlier. What happened is when I worked there, I used to take calls and they wanted to change the display settings. They used to call me and ask me how to do this. So the purpose of this video is to share that information with you. So the first thing that you do is click on the Windows menu and click on settings. From there, look at the left hand side, click on the system, and the very first option if you are on Windows 11 is display. Click on monitors, which controls monitors, brightness, night light, display, profile, and everything. As I told you, they wanted to turn the brightness down using the keys. So they were not able to do it. I had to install the driver and do that. The first setting is brightness. It controls the brightness of the screen. As you can see the brightness changes. So that is the use of brightness. I usually keep it at 90 degrees, 90%, the slider. Night light, if you drag on the right hand side, it will increase. If you drag on the left hand side, it will decrease. Night light, it will make a warmer color to help block the blue light that is coming from the outside or inside. Color profile determines how colors appear on your screen. So you can calibrate the display over here. As you can see, this is not readable. So we can click on next. We can click on next. The gamma is too high, good gamma. This is good gamma. So aim at this. You should not see dark spots or very light spots where you see the middle white or the black dark. So over here you can aim for something like this. That is too high, that is too low. This is good enough. Click on next, 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 and click on finish. That is how you calibrate your screen. You can turn on clear type. That will make the fonts make appear a little bolder. Click on next, click on next, select the one you like, 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 click on next. I actually want this one. I can select that. Okay. That is how you add the display color management. We just changed the color profile for our sRGB display profile. So the next thing is the scale attribute. This is how big the desktop appears. If I put it at 175%, everything becomes big, right? If I put it at 125%, everything becomes a little smaller. So that is what this is. If it is at 100%, it is like this. So as you can see, it enhances the view ratio of the display, the width to height ratio, right? Display resolution, you can set it to 1680 by 1. You can use this, you can revert, or you can use anything that you like. For example, I wanted to test, if you want to test 1680 by 1050, you can click on keep changes, and it will start using this particular display resolution. Display orientation, it can be portrait, which looks like this. I will click on revert for this one. If you did a mistake and you are having a hard time to adjust over here, you can revert back and it reverts back. That's a neat little feature. The next thing is portrait flip. It will do this. You can press escape if you made a mistake, and it will not change it. Unless you press on keep changes, it will not do anything for you. Multiple displays, if you have multiple displays, you can connect them. You can also remember them and minimize when the monitor is disconnected. Okay, so that is a good option to consider. You can uncheck them as well if you don't want them. This is for multiple displays. Advanced display is just showing you the screen hertz. The higher the screen hertz, the better it is. So we can use dynamic refresh rate if it is supported by your Windows computer or your computer. So we are using the built-in display, which is called as display 1 in this particular chipset. So you get to configure the display adapter as well if you want, but I will not show you that. Multiple displays we already covered. Graphics is where you see the graphics card information, and you get to control the graphics, right? So for example, always keep this turned on. If you play a lot of games, it will optimize it for games that you play on Windows. The camera is optimized for games. Let Windows decide power saving. Let it be checked. Or if you use your computer a lot, you can select one of this. High performance will leave it always on. Okay. Let Windows decide is the best way to go about it. So that's about it. Going to each and if you have any doubts, ask me. I will make a video on that. But going through each and every settings over here is beyond the scope of this video. But I hope that you got a feel of what the display settings are and how you can change most of them. If you have any questions, please ask and I will make a video on that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. That concludes the video. Thanks for watching.